In this section, we will review the filtering capabilities of Wireshark. Remember when we looked at the packet analysis, we had to scroll down and look at different things in the packet capture. What we're going to do now is add an essential skill, and that skill is applying filters. Learn how to build the different types of filters within Wireshark. So we will explore the usage of filters in the tool. Following this, we'll identify the different types of filters we have available within the Wireshark tool. To effectively analyze traffic, there's powerful filters that we have in Wireshark. This capability provides an exceptional method for us to analyze the packet captures once we have them. As you build your skills, the more you work with the filters, the more expert at analysis you will become. We have different types of filters within Wireshark. With a capture filter, we can control what packets are captured. By setting capture filters, we can build a filter that looks for specific types of attacks. And then if we receive any traffic on that monitor segment, we can have evidence of a potential intrusion. You do not have to have other software. You can do this within the Wireshark tool once you've enhanced your knowledge and your skill. Our other type of filter is the display filter. And as the name states, we use this to control the packets that's displayed on the screen. This is excellent for paring down the information to specifically look for a protocol, specifically look for an IP address, or specifically look for some form of a stream. As you remember, when we did stream analysis, we actually have streams, which is the entire conversation. So by using filters, we can filter out just that conversation that we would like to use. And using the skill we learned earlier, you can save that conversation into a PCAP file and then have it for further analysis, training, or whatever you may deem necessary. In this section, we've explored the filters within Wireshark. We have examined the types of filters that are available within the Wireshark tool. So now that we've done this, we're ready to explore the powerful capability of filters in Wireshark. So next up, we'll deploy filters and examine the assistance this provides us with our protocol analysis.